Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to mark a group chat as read on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Chats tab where your conversations are listed. Next, scroll through your chats and find the group chat with unread messages that you want to mark as read. Identify the group chat by the unread message indicator. Now, long tap on the group chat to bring up additional options related to the chat. This action will allow you to access specific settings for the group. Lastly, tap on the Mark as Read option within the group chat settings. By selecting this option, you indicate that you want to mark the group chat as read, clearing the unread message indicator. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your group chats on Messenger by marking them as read. This feature helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss any important messages within group conversations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a group chat as read on Messenger. Stay tuned for more informative content to enhance your messaging experience.